This Apple ID is not active. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix this Apple ID is not active error. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version of iOS. If not, then go ahead and update your device further to its latest software update. Next, in general again, tap on VPN and device management and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. If you are connected to any VPN, then go ahead and disconnect it. Now, go back to settings homepage and tap on the screen time option and scroll down and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option and further go ahead and toggle off the button for content restrictions. Now in settings again, tap on your name banner and then tap on sign in and security. Here go ahead and tap on the change password option. You will be asked to enter your iPhone passcode, so go ahead and enter that and now change your password. Make sure your password must include at least 8 characters, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Once changed, tap on the change button on the top right of your screen. Now go ahead and restart your device, and after restarting your device, open settings again and tap on your name banner and scroll down and tap on the sign out button and sign yourself out and wait for a while and sign in again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.